everyone, welcome to Meemz and Tingz travel vlog edition. So this video is about my trip to Costa Rica. Now mind you, this trip happened over a year ago. I've been sitting on this footage for a while, but here we are. I found out about this website called Cheap Caribbean, and I feel like it's been around for a while, but I didn't really know, or it wasn't really brought to my attention until sometime last year. Shout out Instagram ads. Basically what it is, it's just like a website that kind of gives you package deals to different countries in the Caribbean. That includes flights and hotels. They call it cheap because it ranges from like $400 all the way up to like $800-900 if you want to get the whole all-exclusive fancy stuff. But yeah, I heard $400 for an international trip and I was like, wait, that's actually not that bad. That's a deal to me. So here we are. Here's my little 12-ish minute video about my trip to Costa Rica for $550 courtesy of Cheap Caribbean. But that doesn't include any of the activities or the excursions that I went on. So any extra things that I paid for, I'll make sure to put the price like the bottom of the video or something. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, look at our plane. We flew Spirit. I'm pretty sure the pilot was maneuvering the plane with his feet. It's the worst flight I've ever been on. It's so exciting. Hey guys. Hey guys, so no matter what Expedia tells you, read the fine print, guys, because listen, we thought we were gonna pay $2 a day for a rental car in Costa Rica, and we were like, you know what, we don't really know how they be driving in Costa Rica, so let's get like a little bit of insurance. So we got insurance, we paid $50 for that, so in total it was like $56. We pull up to this rental place and they said, oh yeah, no, that insurance doesn't mean anything to us. Like, we have our own insurance, and literally on top of what you paid Expedia, you need to have at least $3,000 on your card that we can hold. So at the end of the day, these people tried to bamboozle us. It was a scam. Like, it was a huge scam. Like, we just had to take our L and say, just cancel that thing. We're not taking the rental car anymore. I'm gonna call Expedia. Hopefully they can, you know, refund us.
Pura vida.
Ay, gracias. Hi everyone. So it is our day 2. We're going canyoning, which is like basically rock climbing. Right now we're walking towards a crocodile exhibit or crocodile watching or something like that. So anyways, yeah. Hi, how are you? They're trying to sell me stuff. All right, our itinerary for the day is that we are going to do some zip lining. We're gonna do like a couple zip lines. We are going to like go to this waterfall type rock climbing excursion. And yeah, and we're gonna have lunch in Yaco, and it's gonna be nice. So that's what our plans are for today. So pretty everywhere. Oh my god.
My name is Davis. I'm the tour guy for this beautiful ladies today. We're gonna join canyoning tour in Jaco Beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm a specialist in this tourism for 50 years. So you are in good hands, I hope.
Yeah. So tell all my friends to come.
I'm sure. Please do it. You will discover amazing things in Costa Rica, especially in this area or in Guanacaste as well. Nature, crazy nice, parties.
Party.
Yeah, whatever you want, you can find it here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
For the rope, you have to put it lower, Low, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. But it's a baby case right here, You should, the water will help a little bit.
Let me see. Oh, yikes. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Not that bad.
Garlic is very popular. Cumin and curry and achote. Achote is not for give flavor, it's to give color. We don't like baked chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. So we put some coloring.
Literally dying.